Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I just wanted to share something that would really help you guys out when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing. All right. Now, this is not legal advice, guys. This is from my own knowledge and from my own experiences. I just wanted to share this information to you guys because, you know, this might help you and, this might change your mindset. And I'm hoping this will change your life. All right. Now, content creation is one of the best thing that you can do to get started with affiliate marketing. Now if you're a newbie and you don't have that money to get started with affiliate marketing, then you know content is one of the best thing that you can do. You can create content using different social media places. Now one of the best example is that you can create content using YouTube, and that's exactly what I am doing in my channel. I create content in a day-to-day that would really help you guys out right here. That's you guys subscribe to my channel because I provide content, right? So what you could do, guys, is you create content based on the knowledge that you've learned. It can be any kind of niche. It can be make money online niche, affiliate marketing niche, or you have the skills, other skills that you have. You can create content based on that knowledge that you have, and you share that knowledge to other people. That way you can help people, and that's how you make money. Because when people like you, they trust you, they subscribe to your YouTube channel, and they purchase products from you, right? And that's exactly what I am doing right in my channel. I provide content, I provide value to you guys, you know and in that process you like my content, you like my video, and if you think that my product that I recommend for you guys would really help you guys out, then you purchase to one of my products. And the reason why you're not started doing this method is because you are worried about competition, right? Now I'm gonna tell you guys that you don't need to worry about competition. Here's why. Right, let me show you my YouTube channel right here. Alright guys, so here's my YouTube channel right here. Now, I create content on a day-to-day basis, and I create a review video from different products, and that's how I also make money, right? Now, um, just like I said, the reason why you should not be worrying about competition, guys. Now, these videos, uh, there's a lot of, affiliate marketers as well that are creating product reviews about the product reviews that I created. Now let me show you some examples of that. So let me show you this. Okay, so let me show you one of the example of my video right here. That way you can fully understand what is going on. All right, so let me search on Tube Atlas review. Now this is one of the video that I created. It's a review video about a product which is as you can see, guys, there are other affiliate or other big names or other big marketers right here creating a review about Tube Atlas, and you cannot see my videos right here at the first page of the search result right here, right? So you cannot see my video at the first search result, but my videos is you can see that right here, right? But it's not at the bottom portion, right? You can see my video right here. It's not at the top of the search result of YouTube. But I'm gonna here to tell you guys that this video right here, this video is making me money on complete autopilot. All right. Now this video is making me like $50 or $20 to $50 to $100 on complete autopilot, and this one has like 117 views so far. Now this is made me like almost $400 in total commission, and that's on complete autopilot. I just create this video review video once, and this video will be keep on making me money on complete autopilot in a day-to-day basis, in a monthly basis, in a yearly basis, right? And just like I said, you don't need to worry about competition, guys, because just like I said, there are other marketers right here that are making great reviews. They are native English speaker. They speak English really great. But as you can see, guys, this video is you know still making me money even though I am not a native English speaker. I'm not a English great speaker, great English speaker. But you can see, guys, that you can still make money out of this method. All right, just like I said, content is one of the best method that you can do to get started with affiliate marketing, especially if you don't have that money to get started, you don't want to pay per traffic. Then just like I said, guys, content will, give you, passive income on complete autopilot, right? This will give you like multiple income streams. So aside from the commissions that you're gonna be getting from, from the products that you're promoting, you can also get, income streams from YouTube revenue, and you're building your brand, you're building your YouTube channel, and that's how you grow, and that's how you make money on complete autopilot. Now get started using this method, guys. Take action. You don't need to have any, investment or money to get started with affiliate marketing. Do this method. This will change your life forever. All right. Now I might not, making like millions of dollars right now, but my videos is you know, getting eyeballs each and every day, and I keep on getting subscribers on complete autopilot, and that's how you grow. Right. Now, yeah, get started using this method, guys. Start taking action, all right, and start doing this method, right? And if you guys wanted to learn how I, make my first $1,000 online using this product reviews that I created, there's a link below this video. Get access to that free training. I'm gonna send you that free training to your, inbox personally. That way you can get started using this method. How I, get this, product reviews, where I get these products that I promote, and how I construct my review video, and start using that method to get started using this to make money online. All right. Now, if you guys will take a look at my channel right here, now my videos, guys, getting, keep on getting eyeballs each and every day. You might, see that I don't have that much views from my product reviews, but those product reviews, guys, are, making me sales on complete autopilot, all right? Because these are, targeted product reviews from, product launches, and you can also do the same. Just like I said, you can learn this method, by, getting access to my free video training on how I do this method. That way you can get started using this method as well. And don't worry about competition, guys. You can start using this method on, for free. Just, you just need to have a some sort of device like a cell phone or a laptop, or, an internet connection. You don't need to have any some sort of money or paid traffic to use this method. But if you wanted to get fast result, then you may jump on paid traffic, right? But if you want to get started with affiliate marketing using free traffic, guys, then creating content is one of the best way to get unlimited free traffic on complete autopilot. And with this method, guys, I'm able to make like $50 to $100 or more using this method on a day-to-day basis. And I just wanted to share that video today. So that is why I record this video, to share with you guys that this method works, and this is how you get started to make money with affiliate marketing on complete autopilot. And the best part is this is 100% free. All right, YouTube is free, and you have an internet connection, you have a laptop, then you can get started using this method. Everything is free, guys. You don't need to pay if you don't want to pay for traffic to get started with affiliate marketing. Alright, guys, so I think that would be in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please consider it subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this to help you guys make money online. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.